Today we're staining a fence! So basically the things we're gonna need for this project are a roll of paper and plastic just to kind of protect our area here. We don't want any of the stain getting on our cement slab. We're gonna be using this stain here. It is called Wood Luxe by Benjamin Moore. It's a fantastic product. It's their new line. It replaces their old Arbor Coat series. And this is actually the cedar color. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Donald Trump, and that's what it looks like on the wood. So you can see it looks kind of fantastic there. We've got a painter's pail with a mini roller and a paintbrush. And our main tool for doing this fence is going to be the airless paint sprayer. That's going to speed things along for us, and the roller and the paintbrush are really just to kind of even things out. So that's what we need, so let's get into it.
Here we were just testing the speed of using a roller and a brush to do the staining, and it was way too slow, so we switched to doing it all with a sprayer.
Alright, so this was a lot of work. We were in the hot sun today and we were so tired, but we got it all done. I think it looks awesome. We really like the cedar color, but if you have any exterior staining projects that need done, the Wood Luxe by Benjamin Moore is a great product. It has the ability to both stain and water protect, so it's a waterproofing and a stain. If you would have chosen a different stain color, let us know in the comments below, but there it is.